After we've successfully installed Spresso for Windows, we'll get the main opening window. As you can see, there's the menu bar across the top. We have 4 action buttons. There are 2 buttons at the bottom, and anytime you want to quit, you can quit from the File menu or by clicking on the Quit button. Let's take a quick look at these 2 buttons. The first one brings up the About box. Here, I'll drag it on over here so you can see it. And this includes information about the product, licensing information, and all that. There are 3 buttons down at the left-hand side. One displays the user guide, another a quick start, which is basically the steps we're going through in this demo, and another brings you to the website where you can get help. We can click Done, and even though we have just a short amount of time to go through this quick start, the current formats are shown in the preferences, and you can change this. This is the format for the date, the time, as well as the version numbering. And down below, this indicates the edition of the Spresso product, as well as any limitations. And this version of Spresso is decaf, which is the free version, and it does have a few more limitations as the Americano version or the Cappuccino version. You can disable the splash at startup at any time. So let's go right ahead and continue. So the first thing we need to do with Spresso is identify a Spresso project, which the only thing that's required is for you to name the project and identify the root folder where all of the project's files are located. Let's click Set up a project, and let's call it Illustra Logo. The project folder was pre-installed with Spresso, and let's go find it. It's in your documents under LSM, under Spresso. There it is, Illustra Logo. So let's click on that, select. That's all we have to do. As soon as we set this up, another button becomes available. This allows us to save a version. Illustra Logo project has some files as well as subfolders in it. To save our first version, we click Save a Version action button. And Spresso automatically identifies a version description and the version number, which starts at 1. We can change the version description or start at a different version number, like 2 if we'd like, but let's leave those. Project includes 6 folders and 9 files. So let's go right ahead and click Save. That was quick. We're done. Everything's saved. And typically with a project, you'll make many changes, adding files, removing files, renaming files, adding folders, subfolders, moving things around. And let's pretend that we've done that, and let's save a second version. For this, we click Save a Version again, call it First Major Milestone, and it does automatically increment to version number 2. You can change that to 3, 4, whatever you'd like, and it says it's ready to back it up. So let's go right ahead and hit Save again. And as you notice on the main screen, it indicates for this project that you've got 2 backup versions and summarizes the last one saved. We're going to pretend that we made a horrible mistake and we need to restore a version. So let's go right ahead and bring up Windows Explorer, and let's locate our sample folder. It's under Documents, LSM, Spresso. There it is, Illustra Logo. And in it, it's got 2 subfolders, Master and Exports. Look at Exports for a second. Exports includes 2 graphic files that have been used in our project. We'll select it, we'll delete it. That's if we want to be sure. Yes, it's gone. Let's move Explorer window out of the way. Just to show that Spresso actually works, let's restore a version. You can go back to the very first version if you'd like, or the latest one, which shows on top. We'll leave it at that. When Spresso does recover from a version backup, it deletes your current user project. So it's always a good thing to keep this option checked. Click Restore. Spresso asked, are you really sure you want to do it? And we do. So let's click Yes. That was fast. It's restored. And let's bring back Windows Explorer again. Here we go. And if you look back, there's a new folder that is called Illustra Logo _recovery. And this was made from the current project before the restore occurred. And lo and behold, there is the recovered exports folder. And there are the 2 files that we previously deleted. That's basically, in a nutshell, what Spresso does.